A very warm welcome to Code Pathshala once again. So in our previous tutorial, we just started a brief description of the CBSE curriculum, and we discussed about what is good in CBSE curriculum, what left out, and how good curriculum overall is. So let's start with Python. So we are starting it straightforward, and I am giving this lecture. The name is Python Playground. So why I am saying this is a Python Playground? Because there is a tool that is IDLE, which we call idle. So idle is the ID, interactive ID of Python, and you can just start open that interactive shell and start programming. Like go to the playground, pick your bat, and just start playing. So like this is Python Playground. So before starting this Python Playground, there should be Python software installed on your machines. So if you are using Mac or Linux, that but then Python is by default there. But if you're using Windows, in that case you need to download that. So this is the python.org/downloads, and if you are on Windows, then you need to go there and you can download the latest Windows software of Python. So latest one is 3.8. You can also go with 3.7 or 3.5, that do perfectly well. And you also need how to install. For installation uh, part, you just need to go here, just do the simple stuff. Click next, click next, just like this, you are going to do some. Previously you have installed various games, various softwares, so in the same fashion, you just need to click next, 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 and done. So don't forget to add this part to the environment variables in the Windows. If you don't add this, in that case you need to edit your environment variables later. So that might be a bit problem for the newcomers in the field of computer science. So avoid leaving it. And how to start idle. So I am on Mac, so I just idle 3, that is, and it's open. And if you are on Windows, so in that case what you need it to do is uh, there is a Windows sign here at the bottom. You just need to click that, and in the Python folder there is going to Python idle IDE. You can also pin that to the start menu. So in that case, that would come here at the bottom, and you just need to click that and your work would be done. So let us start with stuff. So we are at the idle. So why I started this term playground. So here I just came here and start playing. 5 multiply by 9 and it's 45. I want to print I'm rockstar. Yeah, I wanted to be, but I'm an engineer. So here it is, and let's say I want to define variables. It's my first name, it's my last name, and I want my full name. So it works seamlessly, like f name plus l name. Yes, and now I want to print my first name. It is, I want to print my full name. Yes, it is. Yeah, here is no space because we haven't given. If we want space, in that case we can update our variable, that is f name. Just add a space here and l name. If you are unable to get it, then don't worry, this is just playground. So it can be kind of warm up exercise, so don't worry about this. We will take it in the later lectures for sure, and you will get it then. Here it is, and now I just want to write a small function. So what is function? Just write the code once, and by writing once you can reuse that code any number of times. So let's say I want to write a function that is add. So for addition I need two numbers, that is first, second, And for Python, how we write the function, this is syntax. We will discuss it later in the details, so don't worry for now. And let's say I want to print the addition first and second, and my function is defined. So now if I want to use it, so in that scenario I just, let's say 10 and 23, so it should return 33. Add 3 and 3, it should return 6. Write one more function, let's say is this time, let's say my function name is full name. If it accepts first name, L name, and prints, or let's say return this value, this time it not print, so we need to capture it in some other variable. Returns f name plus, let's say space, and L name. So whatever you pass here, f name would be concatenated with this space and then L name. So full name, let's say I have a variable my name, and my function is full name, and I'm passing here my first name, that is a string. Yeah, name is going to be string, of course, until you are the son of Elon Musk. Yeah, whose his son name is not a string. That's another joke on the internet. You can check it. So if you print my name, then here it is. So this is all about Python idle, that is your playground to start with Python. Just do a simple calculator exercise with this. Write 4 functions, right, like I did here. Add, you just need to write subtract, you need to write divide, and you need to write multiplication also, and call all the 4 function. And if you are facing any problem, anything, then just comment below and I will answer those. And for those who don't know how to install Python on their machines and how to start with Python, I will connect some video lecture of a video made by some other person in the video description, and you can check it there. So see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.